Hello everyone. What we have today is the Iseo F9 dimple lock. I'm going to try to show you the bitting. So you can see there's one really high cut and some low cuts in there. But that's not really what's important to me about this lock. This is my first dimple lock I've ever opened. I believe Tony said it's the Iseo F9. I'm going with that until I know otherwise. But I'm going to try to get a video of the actual opening. I actually uploaded a video a few minutes ago of the first open, which didn't show the picking part. It just like, aha, I got it. I figured it out. Now this may take a little while longer than usual because it still feels very, very strange to me. All right, a little bit of a false set there. May have just overset that pin. Let's recock it and just start over. All right, we got our false set back. A little bit deeper false set. And we're open. And that is my very first dimple lock. The Iseo F9 picked. I wonder if I should gut this. You know, gutting it shouldn't be any different really than any other lock, so why not? Let's do it. All right. Let me move all this out of the way. I'm dying to know what's inside this lock anyway. Give me just a moment. I wasn't planning on gutting this lock, but what the hell? Why not? That looks about right. All right. Well, yeah, we're going to do it out here. Need one of those circlip removers. That'll be my next purchase. I'm gonna use this broken bit tip I have on the end of this thing. Oh. See if I can do this without removing part of my finger. Let me move this out of the way a little bit so I'm not knocking the tripod over. Perfect. Now we do have the key. Yeah, this is just a little bit odd to me still. Hold on, let me figure out which way the pins are facing. Alright, so they're coming from there. Oh, this may be the Iseo R6. That's what it says on the key there. So I'll have to look that up. All right. You know what? I am going to shim this because I have no idea what's inside this thing. Not 100% sure what's about to happen here. All right, there we go. Wow, those are some tiny little pins. See if I can get the key to come out without losing the pins. Come on. All right. Pin 1, 2. They appear to be just regular key pins. Very long standard pins. All right. There's the first 6 pins. Now, I feel like it keeps losing focus. There we go. Get the shim out of here. Pin 1 is a spool. Pin 2 is a standard. Pin 3 is a spool. Let me check this page here. Okay. Another spool. Standard. Turn it around and go from back here. And another spool. I'm not going to bother taking the springs out because they seem to be all the same. I didn't see any trying to pop out there. Turn these around right. All right, everyone. I do appreciate you watching. That is my first dimple lock. It's either the Iseo R6 or the Iseo F9. I'm gonna have to look that up before I actually post the video so I get the description correct. But thanks for watching. And Tony S, thank you very much, man. You really pushed me to better myself and figure these dimple locks out. You provided the locks. Without you, none of this would have been possible. I really, really, really do appreciate your tutelage and guidance and just pushing me to do better. I really appreciate it, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and try something new yourselves, you know? Like, just something you've never done before. Just get out and try it. Today's the day. All right.